कौन है?
दोस्त, I'm Manas. Next big thing.
नेक्स्ट बिग थिंग? हाइट से तो नहीं लग रहा.
अबे ये कैसे तमीज है यार?
ये स्पोर्ट्स हफ्ता है बॉस. ना तमीज से देखा जाता है और ना तमीज से देखा जाता है. फिट नहीं हो रहा था यार.
Welcome to Sports Hafta.
वो मेरा लाइन है वो. डोंट स्टील माय थंडर.
Hey guys, I'm Manas.
And I'm Fahad.
And the biggest scream moment this week is undoubtedly India demolishing, thrashing, defeating and Pakistan by 8 wickets.
Yes, that too after a horrible defeat to the Aussies.
True, you gotta hand it to MS Dhoni, who took a brave decision of dropping Harbhajan and took Lakshmipati Balaji in the team.
He took three wickets. Exactly, 3 wickets. Well, I mean, you have to give credit to Virat Kohli. Boss full form में लग रहा है. सबको खा जाने वाला है वो.
Yeah, you have to give it to Kohli. He's playing so well. But Fahad, let me just be brutally honest with you, Fahad. If Kohli wasn't playing cricket for India, what would he be doing?
Kohli not playing cricket.
Yeah, think.
I guess a model. Model होता वो model, no?
No, Fahad, that's not it. Virat Kohli would actually be a Kohli at the other station.
Kohli. Anyways, moving on. तेरा एक और scream moment था that you wanted to share. Why don't you just go ahead with that?
Yeah, the scream moment that I had was so basically Brendan Rodgers, Liverpool registered their first win in the Barclays Premier League this season, thrashing Norwich 5-2. Luis Suarez scoring 3 goals, Nuri Sahin on the score sheet, and captain inspiration Steven Gerrard on the score sheet as well.
Liverpool won after 6 weeks.
तू क्या बोल रहा है? Man United lost against Spurs at home और एक वोट यू बिलीव एक चाट वाला ने भी गोल मारा.
चाट वाले ने गोल मारा.
Gareth Bale.
Come on. Just leave his sad jokes aside. Give it up for Ram Vilas and his Spurs. They were brilliant. I mean, after 23 years उन लोग जीते हैं. You know,
मैं तो पैदा भी नहीं हुआ था तभी.
हम लोग का स्क्रिप्ट राइटर भी पैदा नहीं हुआ था वो टाइम तक, है ना? स्क्रिप्ट राइटर. He's laughing over there. So yes, after 23 years, they have finally defeated United at Old Trafford.
Yes, boss, दूध वाला नहीं लगता. So those were our scream moments. Now it's time for WTF moment. Yes. So Fahad, what made it to your WTF moment?
It's Lewis Hamilton and it's official. He has left McLaren to join Mercedes.
McLaren. Anyway, Maharashtra name. But the shocking thing about Lewis Hamilton joining Mercedes is that he joined McLaren when he was 13.
13 years old.
McLaren ने उसको पाला था, उसको पोसा था, खाना खिलाया था, ड्राइविंग सिखाई थी और ये कितना बदल गया इंसान फहाद.
ये उसको एक माँ भी दी थी इवेंचुअली, मेरे सुनने में आया था.
क्या बात है. But it's really shocking फहाद.
I know. And what did he give in return? ये हुआ है सिर्फ एक लड़की की वजह से.
I'm not surprised.
Exactly. It has been Nicole Shastri Nagar, जिसकी वजह से he has taken this decision.
From what I hear, Lewis Hamilton had to say this to Nicole Shivaji Park and whatever.
Yeah, Shivaji Park, whatever it is. You want to start?
Yeah, why not?
तू पैसा पैसा करती है, तू पैसे पे क्यों मरती है? मैं बारिश कर दूं पैसे की जो तू हो जाए मेरी. Apparently she is. So what is your WTF moment for today?
So my WTF moment for this week is South Africa. I mean, the guys looked so dominant in the group stages of the World T20, and now in the Super 8's first 2 games, push.
I don't know.
And they're almost out. Yeah, they're almost out. What's happening, Fahad? What are they missing?
they are missing their secret ingredient.
What?
Yeah, they're missing the amlas.
I think they need more Amlas in their team, you know.
Yes, they need more amlas and they need more victories because they are in a very thin line of getting knocked out of this World T20.
अरे वो गए.
Okay.
India!
India! So, I am Fahad.
And I'm Manas.
We are signing off for today. So,
See you soon. Hopefully midweek, pa?
yeah, कुछ midweek में इधर उधर आ ही जाएगा. So, you'll have to see our faces anyways.
See ya, guys.
Bye.